Hi guys, this is just a short unboxing of the Scandinavian release of A Nightmare Before Christmas in 4K. It's just released today. Good thing to have a collector. Let's see if we can get some light on it. And this is the front. And it's included with a Blu-ray. And the 4K disc. And there's definitely something broken in this cover because something fall out. And as usually, there's no slip cover on the Scandinavian releases. I think the last time we got slip cover was for Dungeons and Dragons and both Avatar releases on 4K, but it's a very long time since I last have seen slip covers on the Scandinavian releases. But I'm looking forward to see this one. I have never seen it before, and it's the first year's anniversary release, so it's gonna be a nice watch to watch it in 4K. Thanks for watching. Bye.